my name is Somnath Maji and again I am coming up with another new video. So today my topic is simple interest. So at first I will discuss the basic information about the simple interest, then I will derive the formula of simple interest by unitary method. Okay, so at first we assume that P equals to principal. So what is principal? Principal is nothing but the amount of money you borrowed or invested. Okay, the amount of money you borrowed from someone or invested in some bank, that is our P, which is called principal. Okay, next what I assume? Next I assume R. What is R here? Here R is rate of interest in percentage per annum. That means the interest in 1 year for 100 rupees is R rupees. Okay, the interest in 1 year for 100 rupees is R rupees. Here R that refers. Okay, next I assume T equals to time. T equals to time but in years, not in month. Okay, here T equals to time in years. Next I. What is I? I is simple interest for T year for the amount P. Okay, so I is nothing but the simple interest for T year. Now I will derive the formula of simple interest in the method, unitary method. So here you can see what R. I previously said that about R. R is nothing but the interest in 1 year for 100 rupees is R rupees. Here R that refers. Okay, so the lines here I write the interest in 1 year for 100 rupees is R rupees. Okay, so the interest in 1 year for 1 rupees is R by 100 rupees. Why? Because the amount is decreased from 100 to 1, so the interest will also decrease R by 100 by unitary method. Okay, next line, the interest in 1 year for P rupees. P rupees is P into R by 100. Now amount will increase from 1 to P. For the increase of amount I will get more interest from the bank. Okay, or I have to give someone more interest for P rupees because the amount is increased. So here we get P into R by 100. Now the fourth line, the interest in T years. Now the time will increase from 1 to T. So the amount for the amount P same. So the interest in T years for P rupees is P into R into T by 100 rupees. Because the time also increase from 1 to T, for that the interest also increase. By this unitary method I get the interest rate in T years for P rupees is nothing but P into R into T by 100. So the formula of simple interest will be I equals to, here I refers to be the simple interest in T years for P rupees is P RT by 100. And what is A? A refers here. A nothing but the total amount what I have to pay someone, or what I have to pay someone, or the total amount after the getting interest. Okay, so here A is nothing but the P plus I. What is P? P is above principal and I is interest. So A is the total amount equals to P plus I. Okay, now I will discuss a sum about this method here. Okay, so what is the sum here? Sum is, you can see a principal amount of rupees 10,000 is taken at 15% interest per annum. PA means per annum. Okay, for 2 years. Calculate SI. SI means simple interest on this sum and the final payable amount. Okay, so what is P here? P is 10,000. Okay, what is R? R here is 15%. Okay, next time what? Time here is T equals to 2 years. Okay, now what I have to calculate? The SI on this sum. Okay, so SI means simple interest. The formula of simple interest, what I get above, I equals to PRT by 100. So PRT by 100. Now we put the value of PRT here. P means 10,000 into R means 15%. R means 15% and 2. Okay, and below 100. Now we cut out this 0. So from this, if we calculate, we get 3,000 rupees. Okay, now next question, what? The final payable amount. Okay, the final payable amount means this A. Okay, so A equals to P plus I. So what? P is 10,000 and what I get here, I equals to 3,000. So this gives me 13,000 rupees. So by this method of simple interest, we easily calculate the interest rate and final payable amount in next sum math. You have to practice all sum from your book. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe my channel.
Thank you for your support. Please do subscribe to get all the notifications. Thank you.